Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to paper trade right here on Delta Exchange. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple because we are here right now on options. And if you want to paper trade, we go right here, right in the top, and then you can select right here demo trading. And then right now you see left in the top that he will transfer us right here to the demo trading platform. There right now you can decide for yourself how you want to trade. So go to spots, options, futures, or just from the watch list. And let's say you want to trade right here on maybe Bitcoin. You click right here on Bitcoin. And then he says you need to log in. So make sure that you create yourself an account right here on Delta Exchange. Then after that, you need to verify an account on Delta Exchange, and then you can start trading or paper trading right here on Delta Exchange. So it's seriously that easy. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. If you have questions about something, please comment it down below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.